Imagine having over 150 countries represented in one company. 3/4 of the world is actually represented. The powers of remote work simply amazes me every single day. And that goes to speak of the diversity that you get to enjoy and the exposure that you get to enjoy when you're working remotely. Now, before we can get into today's video, I want to welcome the newbies. Yeah, if you're new here, welcome to our Remote Talk channel. On this channel, we'll talk all about financial freedom, financial flexibility, as well as being able to enjoy life while working. Of course, doing so remotely. And if you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer, thank you so much. Welcome to our channel. And I'm your host, Lorraine. In today's video, we are going to be featuring 7 remote companies that are currently hiring worldwide. And as always, let's dive right into it. Shall we? Starting strong, from a company that is female founded, they have over 150 countries represented in their company as employees. 46 of those are absolutely women, and they speak over 100 languages. Talk about diversity score. Testio is clearly the company to work for. Aside from their diversity score, which they're absolutely doing amazing at, they also have a rich client base. Now that includes companies like Amazon, NBA, Netflix, Athena Health, Uber, Microsoft, Wordfare, SAP, and Match Group. Need we say more? I don't think so. And if that didn't make you run to our website and send in an application or just simply check out the opportunities that we have, perhaps this will, because when you're working with them, you get to enjoy the following benefits: great working culture, freedom to roam around, and they clearly state so on their website. So you get to work from literally anywhere in the world, a $300 learning budget, accelerated career growth, and of course, your salary is assured by the end of the month. Because did you hear about the rich client base that they have? Now, they're currently hiring for the following roles: a DevOps engineer, an IT security and information manager, principal software engineer, senior front-end engineer, senior software engineer, a senior engineering manager, software engineer, an account executive, as well as a relationship development specialist. Now, all these opportunities are hiring in the EMEA time zone. So that means Europe, Middle East, and Africa. And that technically means that if you're following me, then you qualify for this opportunity because they're definitely hiring in Africa. All the countries in Africa. Their hiring process is quite lengthy, as with any other remote company, and it starts by you sending in an application, followed by you having a test gorilla assessment done. You then meet with a recruiter, after which you'll meet with the hiring manager. Then comes the reference checks, after which is a 2-stakeholder interview, followed by an offer stage as well as background checks. Now, all this should take anything between 3 to 4 weeks. Should 4 weeks elapse before you start your application process, or should 4 weeks elapse before you start your hiring process, then it's safe to say that this wasn't for you. Next, we've got Oyster, and you'll know by now how much I love Oyster. If you didn't know, now you know, and it's for the following reasons. One, they're a fully distributed team in over 60 countries, and they have over 500 employees. They were ranked number 9 out of 30 for top remote companies. 60% of the employee base are absolutely female, and they have managed to raise up to $150 million in VC funding, and they're currently valued at a whopping $1 billion. When you work for them, you get to enjoy the following benefits. Since it's a fully remote company, you get to work from literally anywhere. You also get to enjoy up to 40 days of paid time off. You also get mental health support by the amazing platform called Plum. You get to enjoy well-being allowance as well as flexible parental leave. And lastly, a work from home stipend. Now, they're currently hiring for the following opportunities: an onboarding success manager. And these are 3 opportunities or 3 positions, particularly in EMEA. So if you're a customer success person, or you're a customer experience or customer service professional, then this one is for you. They're also hiring for a software engineer, a senior accountant, director of product marketing, internal communications manager, and lastly, an account executive. So think about it this way. If you're in sales, then that role is definitely for you. Or if you're a key account manager at the moment, then that is for you as well. The beauty with all this is that these opportunities are hiring globally as well as in the EMEA time zone. So check out our website and send in your applications. Scroll.io is an Ethereum-based company, and they are operating in the blockchain ecosystem. Now, At last, we found an expert on blockchain and we featured her on our IG live. So if you want to be an expert as well, or if you want an experience like myself, or just gain knowledge on blockchain, I urge you to check out our timeline on Instagram and just watch the entire live. It wasn't really that long, but she did drop gems, and now I have a better understanding of the blockchain ecosystem. And so should you. So aside from, of course, the competitive salary that you get to enjoy with any crypto or Ethereum company, you also get to enjoy the following benefits: flexible working hours, collaborative culture, co-working allowance, home office setup, private healthcare, and of course, this is a fully remote company, so you also get to enjoy all the benefits that come with working for a fully remote company. And they are hiring for the following roles. One is a HRBP, so that is a human resource business partner, a senior Rust engineer, a senior ZK engineer, an account manager, so like I said, sales or key account managers, this is for you, a protocol research lead, a senior protocol researcher, and a ZK research engineer. Next, we've got Wikimedia Foundation, and they are hiring for a number of opportunities, numerous opportunities. However, there is a caveat. They do have restrictions on the geographical areas in which they're able to hire, and that is despite being a fully remote company. So when you're working for them, these are some of the benefits that you can expect to enjoy. One is an equipment stipend of up to $600, a disability and life insurance cover, a generous paid time off, a pension plan, professional development programs, a wellness reimbursement program of up to $1,800 per year, and you can choose to use it either on educational expenses or gym or whatever tickles your fancy. A parental leave of up to 16 weeks that is specifically targeted to new parents, and they also have a pregnancy leave of up to 8 weeks. That is in addition to the parental leave that you get to enjoy. And lastly, they've got a healthcare benefit for both you and your family, and it encompasses medical, dental, and vision. Now, they're currently hiring for the following opportunities: a senior program officer, a senior manager, fundraising and data analytics, email developer, a lead direct response specialist, digital fundraising specialist, a communications manager, a community safety specialist, a software engineer, and a product manager. Now, if any of these roles interest you, I want you to head on over to our website, beyondthesavannah.co.ke, send in your application, and please remember to send it in using an ATS-friendly resume, an optimized LinkedIn profile, and just in case they do ask, have your 1-minute introductory video ready for you to upload. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up to let us know that you actually find this to be useful, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe button. Listen to this. We've got creative technologist, creative director, digital copywriter, conceptual digital copywriter, creative project manager, onboarding consultant, finance manager, business analyst, generative AI consulting associate, Gen AI consulting creative technologist, Gen AI consulting senior manager, SEO content specialist, business development representative manager, both at SMB and mid-market level, motion creative manager, motion creative director, 3D or AR video producer, lead data engineer, associate analytics engineer, back-end engineer, senior engineering manager. All these opportunities are being hired for by Superside. I don't know what I need to tell you, but you need to run to our website and send in your application. Do so using an ATS-friendly resume and an optimized LinkedIn profile, because for sure they're going to ask you about those. The next company that you're featuring today is in the gaming industry, which is super interesting. If you're a gamer or you've ever been interested in how the gaming industry works, how they manage to bring on board the games and, just the technicalities behind the scenes, then this one is going to be super interesting to you. And they've got a myriad of opportunities. And the company that is hiring is called Metaverse Game Studios, and they specifically hire in Europe and MENA being Middle East and North Africa, but I think we can get away with that because it's still Africa. Now listen in to the opportunities. They've got the following vacancies: a cinematic designer, a lead cinematic artist, a level designer, a lighting artist, animation lead, gameplay animator, concept artist, lead environmental artist, lead UX UI designer, a HR specialist, technical animator, and lastly, a lead technical artist. Now, if any of these roles interest you, or you know someone who is in motion or who's a creative and they need a role, or even an animator and they're looking for an opportunity, then share our website with them and let them send in their applications. Last but not the least, Outcoding was incorporated in 2000, and in over 22 years that they've been in operation, they've been providing premier technological services that includes digital programming and software services to the world. They're currently hiring for the following roles: a business analyst, a cloud architect, cloud engineer, cybersecurity engineer, data analytics, data scientist, a database administrator, a database developer, front-end developer, full-stack developer, help desk specialist, outbound call specialist, machine learning engineer, network engineer, a product manager, a product owner, scrum master, UX UI designer, and not forgetting a Salesforce developer. Now, if any of these roles interested you, I would like you to head on over to our website, beyondthesavannah.co.ke, send in your application, and do remember that in this month of August, we're actually running a 20% offer on all our services right over here. Should you wish to work with us directly, go ahead and do so, take advantage of the offer. And I cannot wait to work with you, and I cannot wait to listen in to your testimonies and your successes. I wish you nothing but all the very best in your job hunt. And until next time, I will see you, and you can let us know in the comment section if you found this video to be helpful and what function do you want us to feature next, or which departments do you want us to feature next. I wish you nothing but all the very best once again, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.